Hey, what's up you guys? Today we are testing out the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Fake Out Mascara. So it's this one here, and I have nothing on my eyes right now. I have other makeup on, but I don't have any eyeshadow or eyeliner. This is what my lashes look like before, just to give you guys an idea. And let's go ahead and see. I'm just going to do a quick demo of this, and then I will go over the ingredients afterwards at the end, because this, from what I can tell, this mascara does have really good ingredients. So this is what the one looks like here. I'm going to go ahead and start applying. Hopefully you can see. I'm just using natural sunlight, and I have one light here in front of me because it was still a little dark, and my iPhone, so hopefully you guys can see this. And this is from their organic wear line. I really love Physicians Formula. I like a lot of their products, and I recently did a review of the Honest mascara, the 2-in-1 with the primer and the mascara. And after looking at the ingredients of both of them, I feel like this one has a lot more like ingredients that I could tell what they were, like as I was reading through. So lots of like quote unquote natural stuff in it. So I will go over that after. I know that not everyone cares though, so I just wanted to do the demo portion first for you guys. But so that's what we have after the first coat. You guys can see that as opposed to that. So looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and go in, get some more on there, go in with this second coat. The instructions just on the website basically say just to go from, you know, the base of your lashes and work your way up. It does say that you can do multiple coats if desired, and it says remove with soap and water. So pretty straightforward. There's no primer. I don't have a primer on. I'm not going to use a primer for my mascara ever unless it comes with the product and you're supposed to use it that way, just because I don't want to include that extra step. I would rather just use something that either like comes with it, or if it doesn't come with it, I'm not going to do the extra step. So that's after the second coat. I think that's a really good result. I'm going to do a little bit here on the bottom, and that's what we're working with. So let's go ahead and do the other side, and then I will compare the one coat over on this side to the double coat on the other side. And we can see, I know not everybody likes a, you know, like a super thick spidery looking lash. I know people call them like spider lashes. I know that's not for everybody, but so for some people, I feel like one coat is like all they're gonna do. And honestly, I think with the one coat, you would be totally fine with this. It just depends on the look that you're trying to achieve. I like the brush. It reminds me of the CoverGirl Lash Blast, I believe it is. It's the orange tube. The wand here reminds me of that. It's just like that plasticky, the plastic like bristles that, I don't know, it feels like, or it looks like almost rubber. I don't know how to describe it, but it's definitely interesting. So that's the one coat, two coats. So with the second coat, you definitely achieve a little bit more thickness, but definitely some more length there. So let me go ahead and just get some more on. And and do a second coat here. See if we can get this side to be just as long as the other side. And on this side, I feel like my eyelashes are struggling because I accidentally pulled some eyelashes out on this side recently. So I just feel like this side is thinner, but obviously I'm getting some on my eyelid. It's just because I'm looking into the iPhone and I'm not able to like really do this very precisely that way, but that's after the second coat. A little bit here. So yeah, I do enjoy this mascara. I have used it in the past, but I haven't really reached for it for a long time. I've been using the Honest one, which I did a different video on, but I found this one in my drawer and I was like, you know what, let me just try it again. As far as like the thickness of my lashes, I feel like I'm not really achieving any type of a thickness here. And with the Honest one, I just feel like you can make your lashes thicker because it does have that primer. So if I was going to reach for one or the other, I would be reaching for the Honest mascara over this. But with that being said, I did want to go over the ingredients because I do like the, I'm going to grab my laptop here. I do like the ingredients better in this one. And the reason being is, so let me just go over this for anyone that cares. So like the very first ingredient here that I'm seeing is orange. It says orange fruit water, glycerin, and then beeswax. Again, I need to look for a good vegan mascara. If anyone has any recommendations, put them in the comments below, because a lot of these mascaras I'm seeing that are like the clean, I prefer clean brands. A lot of those I'm seeing they have beeswax. So I'm trying to find one that doesn't contain beeswax. I'm not vegan, but just because some people are, so I'm trying to find one. If anyone has any recommendations, let me know. And then I'm also seeing like there's carnauba wax. I don't know how to say that, but I have seen that before. It looks like we've got cornstarch, tapioca starch, jojoba esters, which the Honest mascara contains jojoba esters as well. That's like one of the selling points for it. And then there's rice powder, rice extract. I'm seeing soybean oil. So if you have a soy allergy, I don't know, I would maybe be careful. And then I'm seeing there's actually aloe in this, and cucumber, and olive leaf extract. That's not all the ingredients, but it is really cool just to see that it has that orange fruit water as the first ingredient. I do like that because as you know, like as you read the ingredients, it's the ones that are more prominent are at the beginning, and then as you get towards the end of the ingredients list, those are the ones that they used a smaller amount. So with the aloe and the cucumber and the olive oil, those are at the end of the ingredients list, so there's not very much of those in there, but it is just cool to see that, especially in a mascara, because like I said in my previous video, mascaras a lot of times have like some weird stuff in them. And then a lot of these they have an asterisk, and it says that means ingredients were sourced from organic farming. So that's really cool. The other thing I was going to go over is just the benefits. It says that it's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, paraben-free, dermatologist-approved, clinically tested, safe for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Sorry guys, I'm reading off of my laptop. And then ophthalmologist approved, hopefully I said that right, and cruelty-free, obviously. And then lastly, this mascara retails for $10.99. On their website, it only has 3 stars, guys, and that's not very good, 3 out of 5. So I will say, like, the result that I got, it didn't really help much with the thickness, which I'm not really a fan of. So is this like my favorite result? Would I use this if I was going, to like an event or going out to dinner or something? Probably not. but just because I do like the ingredients in it, I would reach for this as more of an everyday, like today I'm, you know, walking the dog, working from home, just running errands, like simple stuff. I would use this. I mean, why put something with more like harsh ingredients on every single day? Like, to me, that just doesn't seem like, why would you need to do that? You might as well reach for something that's more natural, that you can actually tell what the ingredients are. That's just my personal opinion. So I'm assuming that the 3 stars is people who didn't really take into account the fact that they did try to put some more natural stuff in there. Again, I'm not a chemist, so don't quote me on any of, like, do your own research. If you see an ingredient on there that you're like, oh, that's actually not like a good ingredient, let me know in the comments. But for me, like, I would definitely reach for this for like a day-to-day. It's not going to be like for an event or anything like that. For that, I would go with something like the IT Cosmetics, the Tightline one, I believe it's called. I have a video on that, or the Honest one for now. But I'm still on the hunt. I'm going to continue doing videos like this, looking for clean mascaras. Like I said, I want to find a vegan one that's good that I can recommend you guys. So leave comments down below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.